Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this is my look inspired by Kaia Gerber's look from the Met Gala. Happy day after the Met Gala. I really hope you guys are having a beautiful day or night, whatever it is. So I absolutely loved her eye makeup, how it shimmered and shined, and I realized I had colors like that, so I was like, why not recreate it? And the hair, although my hair is not super long, I attempted to recreate the look. It's not perfect, but I definitely tried. And I explained to you how to do it on long hair, which I think would be so much easier. So if your hair is longer than mine, you're gonna do great. I absolutely love how this came out, and also please let me know if you want to see any other Met Gala looks. I know some were not necessarily on theme. I know we're all feeling that, but everyone did look beautiful, and yeah. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Okay, so my hair is waved. I burnt my shoulder in the process. You can't really see it, but it hurts. Oh wait, it's right here. Burnt my shoulder in the process because apparently I don't know how to use a curling iron. But it's fine. So for now, I'm just gonna use these cool little things that all the celebrities use because I think I'm cool. And that's that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start on the face makeup. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm just gonna put that all over. And I'm gonna pour it on my face because apparently I don't care about dripping it everywhere, because who cares about that? And obviously this is not the final hair look. We're gonna fix it up. I want to know everyone's favorite Met Gala look because I don't even know what my favorite was. I loved Bella Hadid's hair, Rosalia's dress, Billie Eilish killed it, but I was a little confused with the baseball caps, but then I read apparently that's like paying tribute to New York, which that's cool. But I will show you this eyeshadow that will be the star of the show because literally I looked at her eye makeup and I was like, this looks exactly like this. So this is the Natasha Denona little cup thing. I don't know what it's called. But I know it doesn't look like anything crazy, but look how it's like, oh, it's just like a rusty color, and then it like hold on, see how it like reflects different colors? If that doesn't work, I have one that's similar that I can just put on top of that. But that's the type of color that is like the main part of her eye makeup, is that like the different colored shimmery thing. I didn't put anything on my eyelids because I kind of want that natural greasy eyelid look for now. Okay, so I just remembered I had this palette that I made like years ago. I absolutely love it, but this shade, you see how it's like bluish green and then it's like this shade, and this shade is Glass Bowl ColourPop Cosmetics Glass Bowl. That is literally the color that she had on her eyelids. Green here, a little bit of like different colors. That's what we're going for. But first I'm going to go into my Item Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take the shade Solar because she kind of has like an orangey undertone, and just the smallest amount because I don't want to go too crazy with this, especially because I already have kind of like discoloration on my eyelids. I'm just going to add this in the crease just for some definition. I put too much on this eye. Okay, so now that my eyelids are like that, I'm going to go ahead and try to go in with the Natasha Denona one first because I paid good money for this and I never use it. And I'm just going to pack this all over my eyelids with my finger. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. Wow. I'm just going to take the brush and blend around the outer parts. That is gorgeous. So that gives more of a purple reflect, which it seems like her eyeshadow had kind of both purple and green. So I'm just going to add this as the first layer, and then I'm going to go with the other one, Glass Bowl by ColourPop, on top. It looks like that. So depending on the light that you're in, you'll be able to see it. So it seems like she has some brown liquid liner. I don't have brown liquid liner actually, which is, I should have brown liquid liner. So I'm just going to go with a dark brown, this one right here. Okay, so it seems like she doesn't have too much like blush or anything going on, but we are gonna add just a little bit because I look like a vampire. But I'm gonna go ahead and contour my lips because I'm not blessed with beautiful lips like she does. And I'm gonna take a little bit of the same bronzer, just a little bit, and just bronze up my forehead just a tad to bring back some color in my cheeks. And then with a blush, I'm just gonna go ahead and go with this blush by Wet n Wild. It's called Apricot in the Middle, I think. Yes. And I'm just gonna add this on the cheeks right here. The deed is done. I'm gonna contour this double chin that I keep making because we don't need that. We're at the Met Gala. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes, apply mascara, and apply little falsies because she doesn't have anything crazy going on for the eyelashes, but I don't have any eyelashes, so. Okay, ignore the lashes because I have some primer setting on them, but I thought I'd start with the lips, and it seems like she has just like this little like, oh, my lips are just perfectly like this color. My lips are not perfectly that color, so I'm just gonna go on Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm gonna go over those contoured areas because it's a little bit darker because I got the Pillow Talk that's like medium shade because the other one isn't. Right now I'm pretty pale, but when I'm tan, this burn is really hurting right now. When I'm tan, also this foundation is way too light for me because I don't think it matches the rest of my body. But when I'm tan, the normal Pillow Talk does not work. So, and I'm just gonna go in with a Jordana Easy liner in Baby Berry, which I think is like the perfect kind of shade. And I'm just gonna go in the center of my lips like how I like to do, and then blend it out. And her lips are not matte, so I'm just gonna go with a little bit of chapstick on top. I actually didn't end up putting on those falsies because I was just like, you know what, it's fine. So I'm just gonna go and I'm going to take this little curling iron and I'm gonna curl little pieces all over. Now again, if you want those curls and if you have longer hair, I would suggest taking one maybe a little bit thicker than this one, but a pretty thin curling iron, and just doing this, like those curls everywhere, and pinning them up so that they hold while you're doing your makeup if you're gonna recreate the whole entire look, and then letting them down and just letting them be messy. Like, don't keep them uniform, don't curl them all in the same exact way, kind of try to keep them separated. But since my hair's short, we're just gonna do random pieces within the waved hair. Again, if you have the short hair, this is what I would suggest that you do. Just do some random pieces just like this. So like this one could be out. So these are how the curls kind of came out. It's a little messy, but that's the vibe we're going for. She has these beautiful barrettes in her hair. These are the closest that I have. I'm not a barrette type of girl, but I'm thinking it could work, probably. Okay, so this is the hair completed. I think it came out pretty good.